Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Looks like we're doing the opposite of what we were doing yesterday morning. We sold off first thing, and then we bounced right after. So let's see what happens here. All right, we're checking out the ES. Just going to get all my view ups going. Looking at our news real quick here. We have jobless claims. That was a 5:30 or 8:30 East Coast. 7 is 10 a.m. is U.S. factory orders month over month. So we do have some important folder news today. So in about 30 minutes. Jobless claims, actual jobless claims 191K. Forecast is 220, previous 216, revised 218K.
Artlist.io.
Good morning, everybody.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's ripping again this morning, guys.
Artlist.io.
Huge sell-off here, guys.
Licensing reimagined.
Good morning, everybody.
Artlist.io.
Look at that. Whatever we did in the morning here, it's gone. Hey, Nick, morning. Mike sounds a little quiet right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
How's that?
Very good.
All right. Seen anything good on the charts yet?
I mean, looks like we just erased the jobless claims bounce. I think that's what it was.
Artlist.io.
Setting up my VWAPs here.
Artlist.io.
Kind of broke my rules a little bit there. I just took a short on YM.
Oh yeah.
Closed it out for
Music licensing
175.
reimagined.
It was like it just ripped so high, and then it formed this huge wick, and I was like, okay, let me see here. But 48,060 down to 48,024. Quick little move there.
Artlist.io.
Up 175. Nice. So I kind of have I made a move to move all of my Lucid accounts over to Tradeovate yesterday. Hey,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Good deal.
because I did get the I don't know if they've I don't think that they've
Music
done it yet,
licensing
but I'll have to.
reimagined.
Oh yeah, it does. It is. It's here. Launch Tradeovate. Interesting. I guess I need to figure out the password though, probably. Because
Oh, you'll get it. Yeah, they'll send you that.
It's got to be in the email.
Figure out your password.
Yeah.
It'll probably give you a reset password login. I've never had to switch from
Artlist.io.
Project X to Tradeovate, so I don't know how they're doing that.
Submission received. Oh, I might have to, it might actually tell me under credentials,
Music licensing
key
reimagined.
details. I don't see
Do not
any,
know, buddy. Sorry.
what's that? Yeah,
Do not know, buddy. Sorry.
no worries.
This I cannot help you with.
Artlist.io.
I did finally get Trader's Post, but now I'm like, have no idea what to do with it. 'Cause it's not
Well,
very-
then you and I can get on a call together, and I can help you out with that. I've had
So-
a little bit of experience with them.
yeah. So every account that you have,
Yeah.
you have to like have more.
Music
space for those, right?
reimagined.
Yes.
It's not by brokerage, but it's by actual accounts.
Yes.
Okay.
So like, so for Tradeovate accounts, you can copy trade your Tradeovate accounts.
Yeah.
You just use one specific one for a lead account, right?
Yeah.
Now, you put that in, say you have 20 Apex accounts.
Uh-huh.
You use a specific one as a leader account. That's the one you pull up when you open up Tradeovate. That's
Okay.
also the one that you put into Trader's Post.
Okay.
So when you execute on Trader's Post, it will execute
Music licensing
onto
reimagined.
your Tradeovate account, and it will go across all 20 accounts.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I don't see an email from them for some reason.
Artlist.io.
I'm I'm not hating long ideas on ES right now.
Yeah. Okay, I got a login of the. So what I did is, when I activated my one test account that I passed, I guess it gave me an account name and password with that one. So maybe that's what I'm gonna have for it all.
Good deal.
Artlist.io.
Got my rental car all situated for the month.
Artlist.io.
Was driving
Nice.
it for 10 minutes. Rear tire went flat.
Oh no, really? Like what the hell, man?
Like, come on. What the fuck is
Yeah.
wrong with you people? You don't check that shit?
Music licensing.
Okay, well that's weird because
reimagined.
so I have the 150K account here that's now active, the one that I activated, but I don't see any of my evals in here. This YM's just popping right now.
Artlist.io.
What is this? YM's at. Oh, this must be delayed data, I think. Yeah, this data is delayed.
What?
My Tradeovate data is delayed.
Music licensing reimagined.
I've never had that issue.
Yeah, I never. Maybe I need to log out or something again. I don't know. It says to get real-time data, please subscribe to CME.
What?
So like,
Artlist.io.
but you've never done Lucid though, right?
No.
But I don't know why Tradeovate would make you pay.
Darren's looking along ES around 62. That's funny. I'm looking along at around 55.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I have it at 59, not 55.
Okay, well, I don't think I'm going to be able to deal with this today then.
Oh, Darren's long.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
What was our 6 a.m. news that made it pop like that? I thought it was 5:30 for jobless.
I honestly don't know.
Let's see here. 6 effective fund rate, effective Fed funds rate 3.89 December 3rd versus 3.89 December 2nd.
Okay.
That's all I saw. But it's not even a red folder or anything. It's just
Music
That's the only thing at
licensing
6.
reimagined.
or 9 a.m. anyways. And that's when this pop happened, right?
And then it just disappeared at the open.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right, I
six-
just took my long on ES or MES, trading a small personal account right now. I'm gonna
Okay.
put my stop loss down at like 50. Yeah, the lower band on the VWAP, so set it up at 50.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, okay, Darren is long. He's going to add at 55 with a stop 5-ish. Oh, stop at 50.
Oh yeah.
We got a little bit of
Artlist
sporadic movement here.
Yeah. Well, we're sitting here on. We're at the midnight open here. Midnight open price. Anyways, not the VWAP.
Oh yeah, we're below midnight VWAP right now.
Music license.
I don't want to try to fade you guys, but I feel like we're going to be heading towards 68.54. That's kind of like London low. And like even if you look at 68.56, it's kind of like a lot of equal lows down there. And then we have a bullish fair value gap that we left on the 15-minute from yesterday's price action. So be careful, I think.
Artlist IO.
I'm too late here to take a short.
I'm still in my long.
It's not.
If I have to
not
take
over.
profit quickly on this, I will. Or cut it at a loss. Just keep my loss small.
Yeah, the only reason I say that is because I see a lot of equal lows there at those prices. So, and it's like coincides with that fair value gap. So that could just be a draw. Like whether it's going to go further than that, I don't know. I don't think, you know,
Music licensing
knows, but-
reimagined.
they kind of already almost touch. We're touching that right now. Those equal lows. We got a 200 EMA down at 68.54.
I got a stop loss at 50 right now, so
50, okay.
Artlist
Yeah, well, I mean, you got lots of space with that fair value gap. Let's hope that that fair value gap here holds between 54 and 56. So I guess that's why Darren was saying add at 55. Be right in that fair value gap.
oh yeah.
music licensing reimagined.
I need to type something in ChatGPT here, so I'm going to just mute my mic for a second.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
We're going to grab a coffee here.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
I'm liking this short idea or this long idea less by the second.
Yeah, it's
I'm gonna see how this next candle starts to print, and then
Music licensing
Go from there.
reimagined.
Yeah, I mean, this is a key area right where we are. So if this holds, could still be okay. We got that previous debut up just below this price action also.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, bounce for me. How about pulling this one out of here? And it rejected my close. Interesting.
Huh?
Artlist.io.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Exactly. Feel like
Mhm.
Scooby-Doo here.
That's I think Tim the Tool Man Taylor. Huh?
Oh.
Did it end up closing?
No.
What?
Music licensing reimagined.
Now it did. All right.
That's not good.
Down a couple $100.
Yeah.
Lovely. On that note, I'm gonna grab some coffee.
Okay. See you in a minute. I should have taken the trade I was talking. I just felt like I shouldn't be fading you guys.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, why didn't you?
I don't know. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, the sellers are definitely in control right now. We still got orders underneath us at 50, 47.50. Everything above us is looking pretty damn dark on the book map.
Music licensing reimagined.
We got 103 orders at 57.50, but CBD is -5. Yeah, 550.
I got negative 2,000 on my CBD, but I did reset it like just before market open.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I think I reset mine at 7:30 this morning.
So you would have had that pop in there, and I didn't really have it in there.
That could explain it.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
That's one thing about CBD. It's a little confusing. It's not that like everyone always seems to have a little bit of a different number on it.
Yeah,
Depending
from
on
when you turn it on.
Yeah. So we're on
wonder
that.
if there's a
200
way
anyway.
to anchor that.
Well, I know that you can set a reset, which I thought I had it set up
Artlist.io.
at market open.
Music licensing
Session
reimagined.
start settings. Yeah, so it
Yeah, I just
Reset
set mine
the
to session range, so no change in it though.
yeah, well, it would have to probably like get to the either end or the start of the session to change that.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Today's gonna be the day to be patient again.
Yeah. Shake out this action here.
Might have to wait for the initial balance to set before I start taking
Music
trades.
licensing reimagined.
Huh. All
That's
my
just
accounts are
phenomenal.
still in Lucid X. In Project X. Even though it shows maybe they haven't fully migrated them all.
Are they all funded now?
No, these ones are all I have my one direct and then the rest of my test accounts. So I probably shouldn't trade them today because they said that really messes it up if they're doing the migration. So what that trade debate is probably just one that I passed already.
Music
I don't have
licensing
passwords for the rest.
reimagined.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so it looks like
Now we got orders coming on up above us.
68.70. There's still 6,900. It's been on there since like yesterday.
Now we got a 68.72, 68.70. You said those have been on since yesterday. They just showed up on my book map.
Like last night when I was taking trades, I saw 6,900.
Music licensing
But yeah, I
reimagined.
see what you're saying there. Definitely, they came on at around 6 or something, or 9, a little bit before 9.
No, they just came on a few seconds ago.
Huh. Yeah, mine shows a little bit.
68.70 and 68.72 just
Oh,
lit
70,
up for me.
Yeah.
All right, I
was
put
good.
in a 6 micro short at 68.57.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
Put this into profit so I don't lose anything because I'm
Man,
already
I
up.
should have held that. I should have held that. The YM short.
Artlist.io.
I closed it at 25 points, and now it's down like. Now it's down 150
Music
points.
licensing reimagined.
If I made 175 on 25 points, so would have been almost $1,000 right now. If I would have just held that. That's too bad.
I hate it when that happens.
That's how we do it. I should try to log into my trading view with that Trade account, and maybe that'll
Artlist.io.
fix its problem.
Try it, see if it works for you.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm in there. Okay,
Music
so I can trade that account if I want. On trading view.
Interesting.
Because my obviously trading view has the data that it needs.
Oh, you pay for the trading view data then?
Yeah.
I mean, you kind of have to if you want to trade on trading view, but Do you have a personal account with Tradeovate?
No, I don't. I have. I only have Quest Trade, which is a Canadian company, and then I have IBKR.
I have an IBKR account as well.
Nice.
I don't mind it. Commissions and fees on it are quite a bit higher than what they are on a few of the other ones.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I mean, I was using it for trading stocks, and compared to other Canadian companies, it's actually pretty good. Like, I used to pay $5 each end on a trade for Tradeovate, for Quest Trade, and IBKR is like $1 on each side.
Oh.
So, and now I don't know what it is, but
that's nothing.
Yeah, it was a big difference. I thought they made it free now or something, but could be wrong. I know Quest Trade made it cheaper also.
Everybody hates, what is it, Robinhood?
Yeah.
Because of that whole GameStop, them freezing all that shit on GameStop.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I mean, doesn't affect me. I wouldn't be purchasing GameStop anyway.
Yeah.
But I use them because their commissions are so damn low. I'm not paying for data feeds. I'm not any of that. I opened up account. I think I put $150,000 in it, and that's it. I trade it just like I would any other account.
Yeah. So not much happening here, eh? After we took those equal lows.
It's
around here.
Seems to be still moving down, but it's slowed up a little bit on this last 5-minute candle.
Yeah.
Got a little dragonfly candle here. A little higher wick on the top and a shorter one on the bottom.
Dragonfly doji? No, is that a gravestone? Well, we got a dragon, or like the hammer or the dragonfly a couple ago.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we got a hammer candle 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
The 950 candle.
Artlist.io.
I'm tempted to, but I can't go short here.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Kind of in this consolidation zone that we had in the previous day's session, pre-market session.
We got a bunch of orders, 68.50 right now, 68.50 and 68.70.
Yeah.
Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Got some weird price action today. Hey, Darren. Yesterday's, sell off, then buyback, and today's pop up and sell off. I mean, let's see. I mean, technically, we're still pretty bullish, obviously, considering we held that sell off yesterday. And this isn't near as big as a move as yesterday's. So kind of looking like if we take the 21 EMA, we could think about doing a long here. 21 EMA on the 5 is a little bit higher, but kind of coming up back up to the opening range here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry, I had a call from the rental car place.
Oh yeah, nice. I did take
Yeah,
a long there. Only 1 micro on my trading view chart on the side here. The ES. I got my stop break even. It was slightly break even, but looked like it might get stopped out here. See if we can't get a bit more. Yeah. Huh? Why do I still have 2 contracts there?
I don't know. Did
That's
you
weird.
not put in your
Music licensing
a full
reimagined.
close on your stop loss?
I'm too short actually.
All
I don't
right.
know what
So you
I
did
don't
a
know
couple
what
extra.
I did there. Yeah, look
Well,
at
it's
that. I'm
going
up,
down, so
I'm
leave
up
them
10
in.
bucks.
Accidental money. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Should have closed it there. I did want to just get out, but it was like it's going green.
Artlist.io.
Doesn't seem to want to take any more. Uh-oh. Anyways, I'm gonna put this back. It's in the way.
Yeah, it's below
Music
VWAP.
licensing reimagined.
We're printing red can. We have had printed 1, 2 red candles so far. Or I'm sorry, 2 green candles so far. I'm thinking my initial long bias was way off. So again, it's time to be patient.
Yeah, we're kind of. I'm just looking to get out of this thing here. If it. Uh-oh. Might need to cut this little small loss here.
Artlist.io.
It keeps bouncing.
Small loss is better than a big loss.
Artlist.io.
Now it's doing what I wanted it to do earlier when I had the actual long position.
Man, we're just fucking everything up today, aren't we?
That's what happens when you start trading on a different platform.
Yeah, I'm gonna go start trading on
Music licensing
Project X
reimagined.
platform now. See if I can lose everything.
Just as I switch everything over to Tradeovate. Like, yeah, I'm gonna go to go over there now.
I do not like Project X even a little bit.
Yeah,
Every time I've had to open up that platform, it just kind of made me cringe.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty volatile down here.
It is. I just put in a short.
I'm still in that short. I actually added 2. I'm looking to still cut it here pretty quick. Just trying to get a little bit more of a move down here.
I'm only in with 4 micros, so I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not stressed about this trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm trading on a small personal account right now, so I'm not willing to take any big risks.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a 0.5%, a 0.5% for risk. And I mean, 1% is my goal for a take profit, but if it goes beyond that, I'll let it.
Flirting with that 200 EMA, hey? Doesn't seem to want to let us get lower below that at the moment.
I haven't pulled up any EMAs on my chart, so
And
thanks for the info.
you up. Sort of stuck between them right now. There we go. Come on, a little bit, a couple more pops here. $50. 60s. Come on.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on. Push those lows.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, keep going here. Come on. You can do it.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. I'm out. Right at the point of control there. Oh. Hey, Zar. Good morning. Got smoked on the long. Yeah. I just, that's what I was saying, those equal lows over here. Just we're kind of like a short-term target anyways. So I did just squeeze out some money out of that short though. What am I? I'm up $87 in my newest Trade Evade account here, or Lucid account, sorry. Lucid funded. Oh, it doesn't update right away, but so I guess I need to make $50 a day for 5 days. I think that's how the rules are for that.
Artlist.io.
Can't really remember. Good thing I closed it where I did there. Looks like we lost Mr. Nick there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
You've been taking any trades this morning, Zar? Did you short that at the gate, out the gate, or what? We kind of did a reverse of what we did yesterday,
Music licensing
except for just not as drastic.
reimagined.
What was yesterday was like 40 bars almost, and this morning was only 15 bars. And we're kind of right back to that that area where we were consolidating before we had that sell-off yesterday.
Artlist.io.
Making a whole bunch of stacked lows here.
Music licensing reimagined.
And a bit of a bounce.
Artlist.io.
Getting a pretty strong bounce right now. Maybe those longs are coming back into play here. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps giving me delayed data. I'm gonna have to reach out to
Artlist.io.
Lucid here after. So for now, I have to trade it on TradingView. You got a small short at 635 range on MNQ.
Reimagined.
Nice grab. Kind of like at the low of the pre-market area. Right before that bounce level.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
So we got 7
reimagined.
viewers in the YouTube channel. Thanks everybody for showing up, hanging out. If you guys have a moment, please hit that like button. We much appreciate that. Obviously, you guys are probably subscribers. Appreciate you guys being here.
Artlist.io.
Got another hockey game tonight. It's gonna be a late one. Oh, I'm already feeling tired.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got quite the sell-off. New York Open candle. How big was that guy? 15 bars. Basically, our opening range is
Artlist.io.
17 bars, so got a rejection off the New York there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See if we're going to get a nice strong take of this New York. and the opening range low, that would definitely give us an idea that longs are back in play. We're holding pretty good down here. Technical difficulties?
Apparently the interwebs here is about as stable as it is in Central America.
Ooh.
That just pissed me right off.
Were you in trade at that point?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Yep.
Music
Oh, you're in a short.
licensing reimagined.
I was. Got stopped
Yeah.
out. I would have taken a $150 profit on it.
Yeah. Yeah, my TP hit. So, and then I looked over and you weren't there anymore. I was like, what?
I just got mad at you.
Yeah, like this guy
F
thought
this guy.
about fading us this morning.
Talking about what?
You're thinking about fading us this morning. What the heck, man? This guy.
I mean, I'll never get mad about that.
No, I know. So we popped up there, kind of rejecting off the VWAP. So, but yeah, I know you're a professional, so but don't let that one affect you, right?
No.
Those stupid situations. But it is one of those mornings, isn't it?
It really is.
'Cause,
Today
like-
might be
My trade's flip flopping by accident, and your interwebs dropping, and weird one.
Artlist IO.
Just trying on the opening range low here. Could take a small short here, and try to see if we can play the rejection here. But
Artlist IO.
total support from previous days previous days VWAP though, right? Like that whole little shelf that we built there on the 5-minute is like just supporting right on that
68.
previous day VWAP.
That support at 68.50. Was that previous day's
Yeah.
VWAP?
Reimagined.
Yeah, previous
I
day
have the
we-
midnight.
53.
Yeah, I've got the midnight up and New York, but that's it right now. Just bounced down off of the New York, so
Yeah,
see if shorts are gonna still be in play at all.
yeah, they might bounce it a little bit more before they come take out these lows if they're going to.
Artlist
Might need a little
Today-
more momentum.
Today, I'm not making a call. I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna try and react to it.
Yeah,
The way this morning's been going.
Zar
don't
got
know.
in a short at 635 on
Music
25 635 on
licensing
NQ.
Of
which was
course he did.
the bottom of the before we had the push up pre-market. That's like basically the bottom of that level. Zar's always doing those kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Zar, we got to get you on here sometime.
Artlist IO.
Come hang out. Want to see you in action.
Come out and come hang out with a couple of old guys who don't know what the hell they're doing.
But we're transparent
Oh, absolutely.
and accountable.
Music licensing
And then one day when we do really know what we're doing, and it's all over for the market.
The I got a message on X. It wasn't too. Okay, I don't know how to trade.
Artlist IO.
Thank you for informing me of that. I really do
Yeah.
appreciate it. That was great. And then I immediately was like, I don't know, maybe I don't. And then I pulled up my brokerage account and went, no, I'm good. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Oh shit! Look at that.
Fuck.
You know, I saw us close this candle below the VWAP, and I'm like, oh, this is could be it. But then I was like, it might bounce here, but of course it didn't. Just
No.
freaking ripped lower.
Music licensing.
That bounced down off of VWAP at what, 6860?
Yeah, that's definitely the start. But then when I saw the closure below the previous day VWAP, which we had been making all the, like we had been closing above it on all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5-minute candles in a row. Kind of almost want to take a short right now too. We're at the at point of control.
The point of control at 6844.50.
68.48.
Okay. I'm just doing a little research, basically. I'm just trying to see if that ICT stuff is matching up with the Wyckoff.
Okay, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
That bounce line.
Yeah, the Wyckoff spring.
Wyckoff spring. Yeah.
Because that's set at 6844.50.
Is a volume?
I'm not using that.
ICT.
I'm sorry. What was that?
I don't know if volume profile is like ICT, which is that's where point of control is. That's volume
Okay.
profile. But I could be wrong, so I'm not really sure.
The only thing I know about ICT is he was kidnapped. Other than that, I just don't give a shit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, see, this is kind of what I was worried about in this short. Was basically what it did there.
You got to bounce back up off the.
Yeah. It
Oh,
just
yeah.
went a lot further lower than I was expecting it to, that's all.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Figured I should ask AI really quick if the volume profile is an ICT concept or not. Well, look at that bounce, eh? Yeah, I mean, bulls aren't gone. That's for
Music
sure.
Licensing reimagined.
They're trying.
They're trying, but it's still staying below it's been closing below VWAP.
Yeah,
So again, not
not the trade zone here.
nope.
Yeah, so the short answer is no. The value areas is not an ICT concept.
Artlist.io.
This is a pretty big push up right now, though.
Yeah, it's looking, and the
On
volume.
the-
Look at that volume too. Like we have similar volume to the opening candle, 2 candles there. So we got 43 seconds on this candle here. Let's see if we can't get a nice closure above the
Music
opening range low and the
reimagined.
New York VWAP. That could be the sweep that we needed for them to like push higher today.
Here's the hoping. You're on MES, right?
Yeah.
So I just threw the EMAs up. It just broke through the 9s, heading up towards the 21 right now on NQ.
Yeah.
Still
Great.
below VWAP.
Artlist.io.
10 seconds on some news here.
It's doing the exact same thing on ES, so
EIA natural gas incoming.
yeah, I'm not messing with the nat gas right now.
And IB.
Music licensing reimagined.
What was that? Your irritable bowel what?
Bell and set. I don't know if you saw, but I had made a short video where we were talking on stream, and then I like used your line, the bull bear big one,
Oh yeah,
and then I made a short video out of that.
Artlist.io.
nice.
That's pretty good.
Where did you post that?
I think on all of them, on YouTube, on YM on YouTube, on I think
Why?
TikTok, and
What?
on
I didn't know you could do that. What to do?
Music
What to do?
licensing
This
reimagined.
Start investing, get rich, stay green, don't be greedy. And, just don't be a pig. And then Nina was like, "Don't be a pig." LOL. I'm like, that's a Nick J quote.
Sorry. They just keep coming out.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not even sorry.
No, they're funny. So it's
I'll be unapologetic about my stupid dad jokes and ridiculous sayings.
why is the chicken so funny?
Why is a chicken so funny?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because.
I hate you.
It's so bad. It's coming from the guy with chickens at the farm.
Yeah. Start calling you Gonzo.
Yeah.
How's Henrietta doing?
I saw this shirt on YouTube that they're selling like on the swag shop or whatever, and it's like, fuck off! With a chicken. Similar one. It's a little more F-rated.
I am not mad about that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, let's get this. I've still got the knife's edge playing here. I usually turn that off as soon as we get into the stream. The whole like suspenseful music. Oh, the stream is starting.
Yeah, I was having a little trouble hearing you over it.
Oh, sorry.
Eh?
Gotta set. It was on 18. I turned it down to 17. But yeah, that one does
Just
play.
gonna pick a direction here.
Yeah, I don't
We're
know.
gonna go up.
We opened above it.
Licensing reimagined.
We're right on the New York. I feel like we need a closure above the 200 EMA.
Is the 200 around 68, 62?
200, I have 68.53. But the 21 EMA is at 61.25. We got some volatility right there.
Just bounced above that midnight VWAP.
Which is also the 21 EMA. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's what I was curious about that because usually they line up.
Yeah. 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 Didn't really get the move we were looking for there, but
No, it got rejected.
Music licensing reimagined.
temporarily.
Again, don't be in a rush. Still gonna fight with it for a little bit here.
Yeah, we got 19 seconds here on this 5 minute.
Ooh, we got a bunch of orders up at 68, 67. That's not looking too shabby for longs. 387 orders.
And you know, we have this fair value gap too on that opening 15-minute candle.
Artlist.io.
You look at the 15. There's a pretty big bearish fair value gap there, which you know, basically the middle of that lines up with the value area high. So you know, like 68, 69 could be the target here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't want to go long here, but
I just did 68, 62, 25. Gonna put my stop down at 68.50 again. Let this one play out for a little bit. Still just doing 4 micros on this.
okay, yeah, nice.
Artlist.io.
I want to see if we end up leaving a fair value gap here. And on how if we get a little pullback here or not. Going to shrink that fair value gap a bit. Or it might just pop. Let's hope that is what happens.
I'm hoping for that pop.
Yeah. I'm going to take a one micro starter position if I can get it here. Yeah, there we go. 68, 61, 50. So to stop below the previous candle low wick, 68.56.
You got that pretty tight.
Artlist.io.
All right, I just added 2 micros to that one.
Nice.
Coming up on the 200. I just wanted to break through.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like it wants to climb here.
Go, man, go. Just added another one.
I put myself up there. 3 points in profit here. Let's see if we get. I'm going to trail this aggressively. 3 1/4, 3 1/2, 3 3/4. Holding here. There we go.
Make sure this is all set up on my mobile device in case my interwebs goes out again.
Oh, no doubt.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm out of that one. 25, 35, 40, 43.50.
All right.
Base hit, base hit.
Eventually you'll score.
Yeah. That's pretty amazing. This is that 50K account that I had in such drawdown. It's like back to a full drawdown now left.
Really?
So I recovered it all the way. I think it was down. It was down to $600 at one point. I think was the lowest drawdown, and I think I almost lost it actually. Yeah, I almost lost it because I put on a pretty heavy trade because it was like at that sort of make or break point, and it got down to $20 before it was going to lose the account. Yeah, and it recovered.
Damn.
On that one trade.
That's impressive.
Yeah. Luckily, I didn't. One micro difference in the size I would have lost that account, right? Yeah, I definitely almost lost this account, and now it's back to 2,000. So pretty happy about that.
I'm proud of you, Dave. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had an account go down to $20 worth of drawdown and manage to claw that back up.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I would even make the effort, honestly.
Well, that's kind of what I was thinking at that point when it was already like that close to being lost. I was like, oh, this is going to be the make it or break it trade kind of idea. And then I think I ended up closing that trade up about 300 or something around that amount. And then from there, it's just been a couple winners here and there over and over. So
Music licensing reimagined.
I got my stop loss up in profit right now.
nice.
So I'm just going to let this one play out. I'm either going to make $50 or more than that. Don't have a take profit in, but I'm looking at 68.79.
Okay. 79. That's kind of top of the range.
Yep.
Yeah, you can definitely get there. Yeah, if anyone bought at the point of control, down at 48, that's a pretty nice move.
It's a hell of
Okay, I
a.
missed some of these comments here. Darren, I'm back. First long, got smoked. Second long, made back to break even. 1 micro left to run. Nice job, Darren.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Ronnie said, "Have you heard of the prop firm Bullinox?" Yes, I have. I don't have any accounts. I haven't traded that. How about you, Nick?
Heard of them, haven't traded them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got my Blue Guardian. I should check that to see if I got the account yet or not.
Artlist.io.
Nope, not yet. They have my info, but probably gonna take a minute to get it. And they have interesting platforms. They have like 3 platforms I've never traded off of before.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, what is the one? Rhythmic, and then they got another one, Wealth Charts or something.
Yeah, if we go purchase challenge and then one step 25K.
Music licensing.
They're providing a 50K challenge account at just $15. All right. What's
Wow.
the? Is there an activation fee once you pass that test?
Artlist.io.
Just took profit on 2 of those contracts.
Nice. Yeah. Reddit value area high.
Reimagined.
Looking like
So
91% off the whole December without activation. Wow.
no activation?
Sounds like a smoking deal.
Yeah, that sounds too good to be true.
Yeah,
They're going the Apex route and canceling the getting rid of an activation fee.
yeah.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so they use the 3 platforms that Blue Guardian uses is C Trader,
Part of it.
Match Trader,
Music
and Trade Locker.
licensing reimagined.
Okay.
Oh, and MetaTrader. MetaTrader
fuck
5.
that.
Fuck that?
Trader.
Yeah. Yeah, like I was figuring like I'm gonna have to figure out which one I want to use here because
So since you signed up for your Traders Post, go
Yep.
to Traders Post, get into your go into your account, and then pull up the brokerages and
Yeah.
the platforms area, and see
Yeah.
which ones they, if any. I think MetaTrader's on there,
okay.
but just check and make sure that you can actually trade those on that and copy.
Yeah. So you
And also check the rules for the prop firm as well. See if they
Oh, good call.
allow
Blue
copy
Guardian is on
trading.
here.
Oh, there you go.
Music licensing.
Yeah, they
I
have.
do know. I just saw yesterday. Tick Trader doesn't allow copy trading
Okay.
through a third party. Neither does Elite Trader Funded, or there's a few of them.
Blue Guardian.
Artlist.io.
But it's trying to connect Blue Guardian through Project X, which
Music licensing.
Which
Reimagined.
you don't want that.
no.
Or maybe you do. I don't know. I'm not going to make that call for you.
No, I mean I am moving away from it, so
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I just forgot they're not going to be offering Project X for long.
so they got 91% on trailing drawdown and 85% on end of day drawdown
Artlist.io.
on their discounts. It looks like 85 is pretty nice. I would probably rather have end of day if possible. To only 6% discount difference.
And if you're used to trading trailing drawdown, then that's fine.
Mhm.
But a lot of people can't handle it.
Yeah, I think the way that we both trade we're pretty okay for that, right? Because we're
Yeah, I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem with it because I manage my size and my risk really well. But a lot of people they go by they have a theory that it's just a prop account. So I'm going to full port it, and whatever happens, happens.
yeah.
But now the prop firms are starting to crack down on Symphonic.
Yeah.
So
Artlist.io.
Okay, well, we're pulling back right to that fair value gap here from this, and which is opening range low. Let's
So
let
you
this
looking
candle
at
play out a bit here.
looking at taking a long around here?
Yeah, if we kind of hold, like, let's see if we form a nice big wick drop down there, it's possible. But the way this is looking, it's looking more like it's pretty heavy, right?
Yeah.
Quite a sell-off candle there.
There's a lot showing up on book.
We had a big green ball there.
Artlist.io.
What was that? 59 orders, and then we had a red ball shortly after with 124 orders. Why is the red ball so small though? Oh
I don't know. Why are your balls so small?
no, 780 buy ball actually
Oh,
earlier, and then this one's only. That's why it's so
Music
big,
licensing
and this one's 95.
reimagined.
Kind of holding that fair value gap right now, and the New York.
I'm a little bit underwater on this long, but
Oh, because you did cover a couple, right?
Artlist.io.
And then it brought your average because you started with 4 and you added 2, so you like.
started with 4, added 2. Still holding 4 right now.
Yeah. Let's hold this. Let's hold this.
Music licensing reimagined.
40 seconds here on this candle.
Today may be a day for me to just walk away from this.
Right? Yeah, just it's not. I mean, the price action isn't that great, to be honest.
It's not great. It's going through VWAPs.
Artlist.io.
Went straight through the bottom. Went through both the New York, the channel, and went through the midnight. Now it's back down below both,
We held that.
and it's just playing with New York now. So
We held the fair value gap and VWAP on the closure of that last candle.
yeah, oh yeah, that is a hair above VWAP. So
59, 60, yeah, like 1 point, right?
Music
Basically
I'd have
licensing
been-
on mine.
reimagined.
I'd have been much happier if that was 3 points higher.
Yeah, it would have been really nice if it closed above the 21 there. Yeah, this candle might end up closing lower here. But let's see this 56 level here if that wants to hold again. Hey Dad, good morning. Forgot to check in. I've been watching 6:30 but didn't want to miss anything. You know, I don't know. I've been having a lot of success trading overnight. Like last night, I put like almost $100 in 3 different funded accounts on 4 trades, 4 winning trades.
Is it, do you just trade the slower movement better?
Yeah, I think so. And it's like, you know, I scale into my positions too. Because it's like, even if you scale in, like you can just get a better average. It's not moving so fast that, you know, like that if you scale in, it just rips and blows you up, right?
Yeah.
So, and I'm not looking for a ton of space to move either, right? So
yeah, but that's not nearly as exciting.
Yeah, definitely not. But I mean, making money's the the key, right? This is what we want.
Oh, I thought we were doing this shit for shits and giggles.
Oh, me too. Usually that's the case. Darren said, "I'm out. It rejected opening range, orb low, and New York view up."
I'm out.
Yeah. How do you make your trading journal? Hey Ronnie, I use TradeZella, and then I just upload my trades into there. And I've been a little lazy on doing markups lately, but typically I would mark it up as to like where I entered, why I entered, psychological considerations like how I'm feeling on the day, where I'm taking profit, why I got out of the trade, kind of thing. Maybe sometimes I'll trail it up. So yeah, but TradeZella is amazing for that if you want to like look at your stats long term. So
yeah, I've been using TradeZella for the past year. I use a notebook as well.
Oh yeah, nice.
But everything goes into TradeZella at the end of the session. So
music licensing reimagined.
All right, I'm going to step away and grab some more coffee and see if anything good happens here.
Something presents. Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of still holding that level here, guys. Look at that wick. We got 1 minute left on this candle. If they end up closing this above, this fair value gap is pretty holding. Still lots of time left though. I like Nick's zebra print in the background there on the wall. It kind of looks like a zebra.
Artlist.io.
Cool looking photo or pictures. I'm gonna grab some more coffee here too. Cool.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but kind of farted there. Yes, holding yesterday's New York. Yeah, that's pretty key level, right? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 9 candles, kind of like holding it. Good 45 minutes worth of candles being supported by that. So it's kind of like either we're going to turn and head higher here and that's going to be the support, or it's going to be, yeah, it's about roughly Asia low. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
couple points lower, but I mean, if we start breaking below that again, I mean, I can see us definitely at least going to the point of control down there. But the way it's looking, it's holding right now, right? So we did get a closure. So this guy is now inverted. This, so that is a bearish signal, but yeah. What about the 15s? $15 inverted there. We have an inverted fair value gap here on the 15 also, right here, which would be a bullish inversion because it was bearish.
I have a bullish inverted belly button.
Yeah. It's saying go long. No.
Music licensing.
Zach Arbucci took a short on that bounce there on the NQ up near the value, the middle of that bearish fair value gap, midnight open price. Yeah, so if I ever say midnight open, it's like I just mark the actual price at the very start of the candle at midnight. It's funny because like if you look at here, I'll show you if you guys can see this, but so that's a midnight open price there on NQ, and look at that, we pushed up to it and rejected with 2 wicks exactly on the midnight open price. It's like you can't make that shit up, you know, when you like put on levels and stuff like that actually have reactions.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's interesting. It's just interesting. So how's my morning here? Let's export this. Okay, top 1 futures.
Artlist.io.
Should think about taking a trade in my other instant funded account there if we do.
Yeah, I just pulled up my degenerate account. So yeah, I'm not trading my personal account right now. I don't like this price action at all.
Yeah,
so I just flattened everything, pulled up my degenerate account.
Nice.
I don't know how nice it is. I'd rather
of course.
I'd rather see a good trade.
What's going on here? At 317, right?
Bookmap's looking a little heavy below us.
Artlist.io.
What is going on here? It's not letting me update this. What day is this? Friday.
Music licensing reimagined.
I just took a 3 mini short at 68.56.75.
Gotcha. Czar said RTY having a better day so far. I wonder where Luke's been. Luke's usually taking option trades on RTY.
Artlist.io.
What is going on here? Why is this not updating?
Music licensing reimagined. IO.
Did I trade the wrong account again today? What the heck? Oh no. No, never mind.
You're having a day, man.
I mean, it's still in an account, so it doesn't matter, but
Music licensing reimagined.
See if I can take a little bit of profit off of here. Oh, look at that. It's going in my favor now.
nice.
All right, I got 5 minis in.
IO.
Pulling my stop loss into $100 in profit.
Nice. Lots of orders at 53, 54 here.
Music licensing
You said you're short?
reimagined.
Yeah, short on ES.
Wow, 550 sell volume at that red ball. When was that? 10:52.
Artlist IO.
Every once in a while, I do like trading this degenerate account.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
We gotta add a new account now that I got that Lucid one that's passed.
Artlist IO.
Sorry, I should keep this open here.
I just added 5 minis to that one. Stop loss
Holy-
is at $300 in profit.
So you got like 10 minis on that?
Got 10 minis on it.
Wow, that's 100
IO.
micros.
Oh, I only made $600. Boo.
Boo.
I was hoping, it would just
Mil-
keep
your mo-
ripping down, but
Like 30
it
grand.
pulled back, stopped me out in profit. I'm all right with that.
Music licensing
Yeah,
$600.
that's nice.
reimagined.
Especially since you're able to add in that big of a size. And
Yeah, this is
Okay.
My degenerate account's a 250K account
oh, nice.
with, I think, 7,000 in drawdown.
Nice.
Well, they start off with 7,000 in drawdown.
Yeah. Darren said, gotta head out. Have a great day. Further, check y'all tomorrow. All right, Darren. Thanks.
See you later, Darren.
Oh, I missed that too. I was looking at a small long at 52 if they don't pull those orders. Mm-hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, another 5 minis short.
Oh, you crazy guy.
Another $300. I'll take it.
That's fast, eh?
Yeah, that was a fast one.
That prop firm doesn't have any rules for
No,
quick trade?
I mean they may. I
Artlist
really
IO.
don't care right now.
Yeah, well, it's gotta, usually they make it so you gotta have, most of your money's made like that. Then they're gonna be like, no. But if you have the odd trade that does that, like, what can you say? You put in take profit and it stopped out fast? Like, you can't predict that, right?
I just I put my stop loss in profit because it was going down when I entered the 5 minis.
Yeah.
So
Artlist.io.
almost hit the low a day on ES there.
Yeah, like rejected right at IB low.
Yeah, it was 1 tick away, or 2 ticks away.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got another 5 in on a short on ES.
Just firing off these trades. I'm up 314 on the day right now.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Those base hits.
I'm out.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we got 7 people in YouTube and 2 in Nick's X channel. So we got 9 viewers right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Your mic's still muted. If you're, I don't know if you said anything there, but
I didn't. I also don't know how my mic got muted, but
I think it's because your kid came, right?
Music licensing.
I didn't hit the mute button.
reimagined.
Oh, okay, weird. Look at that, held that PLC there pretty nice. Again, we're back up above the that view op. Or the previous day view op anyways.
Well, my 5 mini long is in. I'm up $300 on this one.
Nice, nice.
Artlist.io.
And now I'm down 62. And now I'm break even.
Yeah, when it's
Gonna watch
5.
this bounce around a little bit here.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I gotta take Ralph to the vet today. I'm gonna get his ear, them to draw the liquid out of his ear because it's a little swollen.
Oh, poor guy.
Artlist.io.
This price action is not being that. Can't seem to pick a direction here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, we got 120 subscribers now. Just climbing lately.
What? Subscribers too?
YouTube.
Artlist.io.
Really?
Yeah.
How the hell did that happen?
I don't know. It keeps going up a couple every day here. Looks like I got like I'm getting like 2 a day roughly. Better than nothing, but
All right.
and it's actually been going up better since Randy took away his stream. So maybe the algorithm
People are having to look for you.
Yeah, it could be that too. Yeah, you're right. Rather than popping into his, maybe mine's coming up now. Because I guess I got 2 yesterday and 2 today. So it's always good having you on. Thanks. I wish I could send those subscriptions to your channel too. Not that you make all your money off actually trading. So
Yeah, I'm not really all that concerned about the YouTubes and the whatever the hell it is.
affiliates, Twitter. Yeah. I mean, I hope to get to like the level you're at someday, but I'm just, slow and steady. I've been doing pretty good, like adding more and more funded accounts though.
That's where you start.
Yeah. Because I had.
Make sure you're taking your payouts and putting them in a personal account.
Yeah.
Because who knows? I mean, you can get rug pulled at any point with these prop firms.
Yeah, I guess it's there is that little risk, right?
Hope for the best and prepare for the worst, right?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Well, we do trade with, some of the more reputable ones. So
Yeah.
around for a while, so little less risk there, but yeah, I totally agree.
I mean, you're trading with Top One and Lucid. Top One isn't going anywhere. Top Step isn't going anywhere.
Yeah.
Apex isn't going anywhere. Those are the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Top Step.
Yeah, because Top One has Top One Trader too, which is like CFD stuff.
That's their CFD, and I believe it's Forex.
Yeah, I think so. And they've been around like way longer, obviously, than their future.
Oh yeah, they've been around for years.
So they know what they're doing, right?
Yeah.
So
they know how to run that business.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I wonder, I'm just curious, but I wonder how much somebody like Zach gets paid to stream or prop for a match,
I do know a couple of people that stream for prop firms, and they get paid well.
Yeah. Like a full-time job kind of pay?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Artlist
I mean, that would be a good goal.
Yeah, I don't think anybody would want me to be a full-time streamer for their. I'm a little bit too boring.
Or maybe a little controversial on some of your t-shirts.
Music licensing reimagined.
No, I'm just joking.
No, you're not. And I'm okay with that.
I mean, you got some opinions.
Yeah.
So it's as you should. People who don't have opinions kind of like, well, what do you really care about then?
Yeah. Wishy-washy little fuckers.
Artlist.io.
Nina said hi and at 12:01 a.m. yesterday. Her time is so different than ours. It's like,
Nina, what are you doing awake at that time?
well, yeah, no, for her that's probably like 3 in the afternoon. Or
Yeah, she's just getting, she's just getting out of class at that point. She's still in school, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't seen her in a while. Hopefully she'll come on again one time.
I like Nina. She's a good egg.
Yeah. You know, who I haven't seen in a while is Keith.
Where the hell is Keith?
Yeah, Keith hasn't been.
Or
on
Lance.
stage.
Oh,
I haven't seen Lance in a minute either.
Yeah, well, I didn't see his name in ASFX, but let me just scroll up here and see. I still had it open so I can actually see that still. Yeah, I haven't seen any comments in here yet on him either.
Hmm.
Usually he's there pretty.
I'm gonna have to send him a message, make sure he's okay. Didn't get stuck under a tractor somewhere in Kentucky.
music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I don't see anything from Lance here either right now. Oh, there he is, Lance Mercer. I'm in same way back in it again. So yeah, was there. Buffalo is a bone breaker next to the lake. Not sure what he's referring to, but
Me either.
yeah. And then I haven't seen Keith posting anything in Discord either, and I tried to message him to see if he's everything's okay, but he never. I had to send him a friend invite because he's not. We're not friends yet.
We're not
Music
friends yet.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, sent it to him. I got a whole list of people trying to add me as friends, like Evan Dyer, Noble. Oh, Noble.
Is it fake Evan Dyer or real
Yeah.
Evan Dyer?
Why would Evan want to be friends with me? He doesn't even know me at all, right?
How is it?
I
How is
already-
it
I already
spelled?
posted it, so.
Did
I
you
already
see
closed
that post that I put up about the scam artist that was pretending to be Evan, trying to get me to give him like 30 grand?
Yeah, I reposted it.
Oh, did you? Nice.
Yeah, I was like, that's the kind of stuff that we should be reposting, right? Because if it helps somebody
Yep.
else save,
Not get scammed.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, the
don't-
good thing is mostly everybody knows that there's a lot of scams, right? So
Yeah, but
some people can get caught.
Artlist.io.
so all I did was I saved that guy's message in my message folder. So every time he changes his name, I'm just gonna make another post. This is his name now.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
Actually, I think I should just do a weekly scam artist post
Yeah.
every Monday. These are the people that have sent me messages trying to scam me out of whatever.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Could be a long list.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know why I'm the one getting them too, because I'm getting them from like fake Evans, Austin's, Randy. I got one from somebody from Tradeify TV.
Yeah.
Like, you guys aren't picking your targets well. They're just throwing shit at the wall to see what sticks.
Right.
Artlist.io.
Should know better. If they ever actually paid attention, they'd know I'm a cheap bastard. I'm not giving you 30 G's. It's not happening.
You don't even like to let yourself play with that much money.
Music
Well, on
licensing
options maybe.
reimagined.
Well, yeah, I mean, it depends on what I'm trading and what account I'm trading. Like right now, my personal account that I'm trading right now, I put exactly enough money into it to trade 5 micros. I just put $20,000 into it. I can trade 5 micros on it. I'm going to build this account up 0.5% for risk.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Artlist.
If I lose 0.5% in a day, I'm done trading it for the day.
So 1% of 20,000 is 200.
Yep.
No. Yeah. So you're only risking $100 a day.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a small account. Why in the hell would I want to risk more than 0.5%?
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
My goal for the day is 1%. If it goes above that, bonus. But if I can hit that 1% a day on this account and just keep compounding that over and over and over again, I mean, if I could make a consistently 1% a day, average that out at 250% per year,
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
That's real nice gain. Never get that out of the stock market with like if you just bought something and held it, you know?
no.
I mean,
Not
you
at
could get lucky. I mean, it's true. You could get lucky, but
You can get lucky, but
Artlist.io.
hold up. I'm going to grab some more coffee.
sounds good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pennywise.
Artlist.io.
How's the coffee?
Black
Me too.
coffee in the States. It is what it is. Coffee.
Yeah.
I got
keep
so
forgetting back to Detroit right now.
Music licensing
yeah, I got
reimagined.
spoiled drinking really good coffee,
Yeah, no doubt.
having really good fresh fruit. It was nice being able to walk out the back door and pick a coconut, a mango, and a pineapple, and just walking in and making breakfast. So one thing we should do is at some point do a Q&A about risk management, if anybody watching this actually cares to hear it.
Yeah, it'd be some good practice to just get that, go through the whole process of talking about it, right?
Well, that and a lot of the people on the Discord were asking me about the scaling stuff and risk management, and that is my forte. That's what I do well.
Yeah.
But honestly, I don't think people focus enough on their risk management, and they concentrate too much on making money rather than not losing money.
Yeah.
Like even something as simple as, just setting up automatic stop losses. If you're trading a personal account rather than a prop account, setting up a daily loss limit that's equal to 0.5% of your account value.
Mhm.
You lose, if you lost 20 trades in a row, or 20 days in a row with that, you've still only lost 10%.
Yeah. So that means you can do 20 times 9, 180 days, like that.
You could lose 180 days and still not have your account in the negative. Well, it would be in the negative with fees.
It would
and
be
all
all
that,
gone.
but
And fees and whatever. But yeah, exactly. But
commissions and fees that eat up the rest of it. But yeah, you could lose 180 days in a row and still. I hope you don't lose 180 days in a row.
Yeah, like maybe something else is wrong at that point, right?
Yeah, like you should step back and look at your strategy and your entries and exits.
Something's off. Back to that previous day view up here. Just can't seem to leave this area.
Nope.
Until we end the stream.
So like I was saying though about the 1% reward on this account for the day. This is a $20,000 account that I set up.
Yeah.
I'm up $326.28 on the day.
Nice.
So more than 1%. Mm-hmm. So now my risk is going to go from $100 to $126. So if I lose $126 on any trade from here out, I'm still up 1% on the day.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense the way I said it?
Yeah. So you kind of like scale it up with your profits.
Yeah. So no matter what, I'm taking a 1% day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, if I lose 0.5%, I'm still up on the week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's more than 1% win, right? Because 300 on.
Well, right now, yeah. But if I lose $126.28, I'll be back to 1%, and that's where I would leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of risking that 1% on the day.
To go back to flat. Yeah.
Yep.
And then that's how you continuously lock in greens and grow the account.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
But like I said, not too many people. Everybody's focused on making a lot of money really quickly, and you can if your risk management's good.
Mm-hmm.
Music licensing.
But in a personal account, is that your coffee pot or mine?
It's mine, yeah.
On a personal account, that's painful when you lose 10 grand in a day.
Oh yeah. Oof. 10 grand real money. That's a lot of prop firms you could have had with a lot more drawdown.
Artlist.io.
I'm wondering if we're going to try to go back to the point of control down there. Here.
Well, I just put in a limit order on a short at 68.57.
Music
Okay.
licensing
So-
reimagined.
If we get a little bounce up, I'm gonna take this short.
I could
Been
do
dropping all day.
Yeah.
I'm not loving longs at all.
I'll be back a moment. I just got to use the bathroom.
Go for me too.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
$356 orders at 68.50. 4.5 points below,
Music licensing
and I'm in a short, so I'm not too mad about that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
4 micros in this short. I just added 2 to it.
Artlist.io.
Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. I just I'm in a 4 micro short right now.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got that bounce there.
Yeah, got that bounce. It picked up my my 2 micro order, and I added to it. So
Nice.
I'm like $10 underwater on this trade.
Ooh.
That's a small coffee at Starbucks.
Right. Jose sent me a video on Instagram, and it's like this East Indian guy, and it doesn't show his face or anything, but he's like the price just going down, and he's just buying, and then it goes further down. He's buying more, buy, and he's like screaming and yelling in the video. It's like, yeah, this is exactly what you don't want to do.
Absolutely not.
And it just keeps going lower and lower and lower, buying more and more. Like, oh my god.
I never understood. It's that whole, catching a falling knife thing. You never know where the bottom is.
Yeah. Yeah, where you think it is, it's gonna go lower, right?
Mm-hmm. And if market sentiment is not positive for that specific stock overall, you're gonna get a margin call.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Oh, this is just playing around with the 21 EMA.
Yeah. 21 just crossed below the New York VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's probably a good thing for your short. Does that mean that
Music licensing reimagined.
that your VWAP's crossed there?
Nope, did not cross. They've been bearish all day.
Okay.
I take that back. They've been bearish since 9:35.
Yeah. After that first 5-minute candle.
Yeah. After that first 5-minute candle, it went bearish. All right. Now I'm liking this trade a little bit better.
Yeah. Back down at the previous day VWAP there. Just gotta break this guy.
If it breaks it, I'll be, hey, look at that. I'm gonna move my stop loss into a profitable area.
Music licensing.
So again, this is my small account, so I locked in my my profits at $21.25.
Okay. Well, hey.
That's
two coffees.
$21.25 I did not have 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. 27 seconds left on this candle here.
Let's see where it closes.
Artlist.io.
It's that previous day's VWAP's been a bit of a pain in the butt all morning. If you're
Showing
trying to
support.
take shorts, yeah.
Yeah.
To take it lower.
Artlist.io.
Oh, look at that. I made $21.25.
Nice. And that's in the new personal account you got there?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. They're just adding into that $300 a day.
Yep.
Very nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
So are you showing support at 68.52 or down at 68.49.50?
Artlist.io.
Okay.
No, I'm asking.
Oh, sorry. What did you say, sir?
Where did you say your levels of support were?
Well, right now the VWAP or the previous day VWAP is 68.54,
Okay.
and then point of control is 68.48. And it seems like those two levels have been where we've been holding up.
I marked off my support level at 68.49.50, and then another one at 68.50, 68.53.
The 3. Yeah, those are like very close to my point of control and also to the previous day VWAP there.
Yeah, it bounced off that 68.53 at like 9:55, 9:50 in the morning.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. And then did it again a couple of times at 11:10.
A bunch of
times. Looks like it's doing it now. Yeah, Wick's coming down to that level. 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I feel like I want to take a short there, but I'm not going to. We're just in this freaking range here that's like, they might just buy it up again instantly. It's just so like,
Music licensing
not sure,
reimagined.
not very confident in this trade. So I feel like if I'm not feeling that confident, it's like, why take the trade, right?
Yeah, there's no point in it.
Yeah. And I know that's a little bit intuition, but like, I mean, the price also tells you that, like, if with all the wicks and all the support down here, like, yeah, if we were to break below the point of control and the IB low, like, there's probably a good chance we're going to head a lot lower. But
what are the chances of it doing that?
Yeah, exactly. And until we get that confirmation, I mean, you could take a little short here and, try to scalp it really quick, like be protective like you are, but like I wouldn't be holding it to like,
Yeah.
Music licensing.
If you were trading it like one of those old heads, you'd say it's everything's lined up. The 65, the 200, the 21, and the 9 are all stacked for bearish movement.
Yeah.
And it's below VWAP and heading towards a low a day.
Yeah. That definitely says shorts are probably the right way to go.
I mean, it's been short all day, so there's no, as far as I'm concerned, there's no reason to be even considering longs.
Yeah.
Not if you're closing it out to have a cash position at the end of every day, or at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
You know what? I am actually going to put in a 1 micro short.
Nice.
Wait until it hits that 90, or gets a little closer to that 9 EMA.
I don't have my 9 EMA on. Where's that? Okay, that's sort of 68.57.
Yeah, it just got picked up. 9 EMA? No, mine's showing 56.
I think we
Music licensing reimagined.
that's maybe because you have that open, close, high, low setting different.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Open, low, high, close, or open, low, high, close divided by 4.
Yeah. And I just have whatever standard trading view one is. So just touch it right now on mine.
You know, you can change that if you want to.
Yeah, it's just... Then I gotta go change them all. I've been lazy on that.
No, I like it this way. I like it the wrong way. Ugh,
Well, it's not that much difference. It's only like, what, 1 point or something?
that's 1 point.
True.
That's
But
$5
usually those-
on a micro.
Music
Yeah.
licensing
But you know, usually those levels in general are sort of like zones anyways, right? So they're not really a hard level.
Yeah, oh no.
I know what you mean.
No,
Okay,
you don't use indicators to trade off of solely.
yeah.
That would be stupid.
Right up at that overnight VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Started day VWAP, sorry. Which is 6860.
Now we're gonna bounce off of it. Oh, just went through the channel.
Artlist.io.
Hit the midnight VWAP and just pass through it.
Mm-hmm. And now I was looking at the 15, so that probably affects the EMAs and stuff. Okay, yeah, that's why my EMA was so far compared to
You're
yours.
on the 15?
Licensing
Yeah, I was on the
reimagined.
15 on the trading view chart there.
Get it together, Dave. Why aren't we syncing up our charts here? Oh god, that would be horrible.
Okay, everybody, sync your charts.
What the fuck am I doing now?
Pretty strong bullish move here.
Let's see if it lasts.
Ugh.
Watch,
Sort of.
it's gonna flip that oh,
Music
all right.
licensing reimagined.
So I am gonna get out of this trade. See if it pulls back at all.
Yeah, it's looking pretty strong.
Nope, I'm
It's
out.
right at midnight open there. Midnight open.
All right,
close.
lost $80 on that one, so
Okay.
still up for the day.
Yeah.
Over
Artlist.io.
1%. So I like my math simple.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it makes sense too. Like, it's definitely a great way to
Artlist.io.
keep the greens.
Yeah, and I mean, you're not going to get rich doing it that way. Not for a very long time, anyway. But
Yeah, but it'll scale up, right, over time.
Yeah.
So,
you just keep scaling it up.
Music licensing reimagined.
what time do we got here? 8:49. Maybe 10 more minutes, and then we can wrap up the stream here, which is noon.
Julio? Oh yeah.
So I think
It's
I
about
only
time to
took
get
4 trades today. All winners. 180, 92, 24, and $16.
good deal.
Yeah, I've been going a little bit bigger size on my my one trade of 8 because I got 150K take profit trader account.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm trying to pass that eval.
I like Take Profit. They're a good company.
Yeah. And just going with a little bit bigger size. So I'm up already $2,000 in that account since I got it. So going pretty good. That's only, what am I on, like 2 or 3 days in, I think. When did I get that account here?
Artlist.io.
November 30th, I got it. So 4 days old. I think I've only traded it twice now. No, 3 days. 3 days I've traded it, yeah.
Artlist.io.
But I'm trading minis on it.
So you're what do you have your stop losses set at if you're trading minis on that?
Music licensing.
I haven't really been, like, I don't have a bracket order because it's on Trade-Evate. But
Gotcha.
you know, typically just go to the previous candle low if it's long, or vice versa. Something like that.
Are you trading that as a single account?
Yes.
So you can set up an OCO order on that, so one cancels the other.
Oh,
So if it does hit your stop loss or your take profit, it'll flatten your entire position.
Oh.
But you can only do that on Trade-Evate if you're trading a single account. It will not do it across multiple accounts if you're copy trading.
Gotcha.
If you go to
Risk settings,
Music licensing reimagined.
or
so directly, are you in a Trade-Evate account right now?
yes.
So next to where it says sell ask, you have a button that says ATM. ATM settings.
Oh, yes.
ATM name it whatever you want it, and then you can do it in ticks, delta price, or dollar value. And then you can set a take profit and stop loss, or a stop loss only or a take profit only.
Oh, nice. So when you add, like, if you do that and then you add to the position, does it automatically update those?
It adds to them
Artlist.io.
according to what trade you're putting in. So if you have, say you put in 1 micro and you have it set to where you've got a 10-point stop loss,
Yeah.
the next one will also have a 10-point stop loss.
Okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
Cool. Yeah, I should. I'll definitely have to think about those. Yeah, I've been kind of just like freehanding it, typically. Where I've, like, if I enter an order, I'll just like add the stop, just change the amount of contracts, and then, put a stop, and then put a TP. But yeah, that's cool.
Gotcha.
I should definitely. I did do that a long time ago. I just totally forgot about that part. That you can do that.
Yeah, you can set up an OCO order and just leave it like that. But like I said, it's only if you are trading a single
Music
account.
licensing reimagined.
Which is kind of weird. You'd think they would like make it so you could do it all, but I guess it's just maybe a little too much math for it.
I have no idea. You would think that'd be how to do it, but I have no idea why they haven't.
Mhm.
I know precisely dick about programming anything, so not my forte.
Artlist.io.
All
So
right.
kind of looking like it's going to be a higher low here,
Yeah.
or a lower high. Sorry.
Artlist.io.
I feel like our prime minister is really screwing up the country right now. He's just like, we're losing like thousands of jobs every week.
Yeah, it's the same way here.
Pulp mill failing, and
Music licensing reimagined.
Steel manufacturers pulling out, and the auto sector pulling out. Like the main problem here though is like the government just has so much bureaucracy and red tape that it's like hard for companies to like compete here. when they can go to other places in the world and get shit done fast, right?
Yeah, even if you look at in the States, we got
Artlist.io.
just for wages alone. People are right now in the States, everybody's going on about food stamps and welfare and this and that and the other thing. And what they don't realize is your tax dollars go to subsidizing large businesses.
Music
Hmm.
licensing
When a large business
reimagined.
doesn't pay a living wage, for instance, Walmart, people, it's not teenagers trying to earn gas money. Most of the people who work there are trying to support themselves working there, but they
Yeah.
don't pay a living wage. So when 80% of your workforce for a company is eligible because of their wages for food stamps, housing assistance, things like that, who pays for that?
Artlist.io.
Your tax dollars pay for that.
Yeah.
So in essence, we are subsidizing Walmart so that way they can pay their employees slave wages.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
So people just don't look at this stuff big picture. They watch the news and then they regurgitate whatever the hell it is that somebody in either a red or a blue hat says,
Hmm.
and they think it's
Music
fact.
licensing reimagined.
but people just don't tend to look at big picture anything anymore.
Yeah. I'm sure the media doesn't really help with that either, because they're
Oh, no, of course not.
not as transparent as they maybe were, 30 years ago.
Nah, even 30 years ago, it was still a lot of bullshit. When I don't watch the news much anymore, just simply because I don't want to hear
Artlist.io.
some half-wit's opinion on what's going on. I want to just know what's going on, and I'll do my own research. Please and thank you.
Yeah.
And also, look at things big picture. All these people that are
Music
complaining
licensing
about the Republicans, and then on the other side they're all complaining about the Democrats, and you don't, I mean, it's just ridiculous. Neither end of that spectrum is good. You go too far right and you get MAGA Republicans. You go too far left and you end up with brain dead weirdos.
Artlist.io.
Meet somewhere in the middle, use a little common sense, stop fucking around.
Right.
Just an opinion, but
Well, it seems like a pretty ideal position.
see if I get any hate mail for that comment.
I mean, it's a pretty neutral comment, to be honest. Right?
Well, somebody's gonna hate it.
Yeah, true.
I don't care, because I can prove it with a Crayola color crayon and a brick wall.
So we got the new hour candle about to start here in the next 10 seconds.
Well, we got a 10-second candle coming, and I think I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I was just curious to see what's going to happen in this next candle here, but
Oh, it's gonna sink like a stone.
we are in a bearish
You know what?
fair value gap.
Are we really?
Yeah.
Oh, we got above that that New York and midnight again. See if we get a pull back to the midnight.
Music licensing
But yeah,
reimagined.
I'm content to call it here also.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with my work day. I went too long today anyway, because just I like hanging out with you so very much.
Yeah.
I got nothing else going on because it's freaking snowing here.
Oh yeah.
I looked outside and almost cried a little bit.
You're like, I could be in Costa Rica right now.
Good
How's the whole
Lord.
villa thing going?
It's going.
Okay, good,
Just
yeah.
it's
Artlist.io.
phone calls back and forth right now.
Yeah.
So it's dealing with there's a building company down there that I'm dealing with, and then home inspectors.
Hmm.
And if you ever decide to buy anything in Costa Rica, have the electrical work checked out, because I swear that everything is put together with bubble gum and duct tape.
Man's best friend.
Yeah, it's not sexy. Not
Yeah.
sexy at all.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to have a fire in the middle of the night because somebody
No.
did some wanky janky stuff.
Yeah. And there's a lot of wanky janky. Ooh. Is this going to be resistance at 68, 68?
Yeah, it's value area high. Again, we rejected off that after the initial sell-off. We bounced a bit, rejected
Yep.
off it twice, and then we bounced back up, rejected again, and now this could be the third rejection off there. See, like that's what I'm saying. These value areas they work. they typically show some sort of bias, anyways, right?
They seem to. That's why I have you, is to tell me where these things are.
Nice, yeah.
I'm just using you for your chart analysis. Not sure what that was, but
That was my my phone.
yeah. All right, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah,
I got
me
nothing
too.
left in me.
Me too.
Go play some pickleball or something, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, have a good one.
Casey, yeah. All right, everybody. So yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up the stream here. Like you guys just heard, it's 9 a.m. here, or noon in the East Coast. So thank you so much, everybody who's here. We got 6 viewers in YouTube and 2 in Nick's X channel.
Music licensing.
Thanks for hanging out. What's up? Say hi in case you guys are here still. I think Darren took off earlier. Czar, not sure if you're still around. We had Ronnie today. My dad checked in earlier. So yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in and hanging out. And we will be back live tomorrow morning for Market Open again. So yeah, appreciate you guys all hanging out, and have a good day. Hopefully you're green, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.